light and shadow rethought. These vases by Iconic Home are objects with an extraordinary depth effect. Depending on perspective and incidence of light, the vases can be rediscovered from every angle. This is how the idea of a classic and plain vase is creatively developed further. The 5-part vase collection is elaborately manufactured in the company's own design factory in Germany using a 3D printing process from bio-based PLA. Quality takes time. Layer by layer, each vase is created in a manufacturing process that can take up to 15 hours, focusing not only on fascinating shapes, but also on sustainability.